Alright, what is up guys? This is just a quick little video to show you guys how to reset your maintenance reminder on your navigation system. This will work on your 350Z, G35, V35, 350 GT. I think even it's the same concept on the 370s as well. So mine's a Japanese model. So you want to go here, which is information. And you want to use that button to go down to car information, and you want to go down to the bottom one, which is your maintenance reminder information. So when you go in there, the first one is the oil, the engine oil. The second one is the engine filter, oil filter, and the third one is the tire. So if you want to reset it, you go into there. And as you guys can see, this is you resetting your reminder, and this is how many kilometers you wanna the reminder to pop up before you reset it. And the bottom one is if you want to have the reminder showing or not. So I've just reset this yesterday. Same concept on the filter and tire. So yeah, the same one. So now you guys can see how you can reset the reminder. If it pops up again, just same concept, do this all over again, and you'll be sweet. Alright, thanks for watching guys.